Hey guys, welcome to the Fix My Bleep channel. In this video, you're going to see an unboxing of an awesome Lenovo laptop Legion 5. And during the video, you're going to learn the specs of what it's got built into it. It's more geared for a gaming, high-performance laptop. You're also going to get a close-up look at the ports built into the system. I'm going to do some BIOS and some quick patching updates towards the end. There's a link in the description where you can find this particular system. Once I've used this system for a good month or two, I'm going to come back and do a follow-up video, full performance review of it, let you know what I think of the system. So if this is the first time you've seen one of my videos, please go ahead and click on the little button down here, do a subscribe, and that'd be awesome. Let's get to it. Hey everybody, welcome back to Fix My Bleep. We got something really special today. So today we got in a Lenovo laptop. Not just any Lenovo laptop, it's one of the Legion Lenovo laptops, so it's a Legion 5. And I actually picked this thing up from Costco and it's legit. So I'm gonna go ahead and let's get this thing unboxed and get some updates rolling on it, and let's check it out. By the way, this is a gaming laptop, for those of you that don't know. Oh yeah, well packaged here. So just to give you some idea on this laptop, so it is a 10th gen Intel Core 7 i7 processor. So it is Intel. Now you can get it with the AMD processors as well, but it's an i7 processor. So that's up to 5 gigahertz. So it's also Windows 10 Pro on this baby. It's 16 gigs RAM. It's a 5.6 inch display. Beaut. It is backlit keyboard for those late night gamers, which I think is 90% of the gamers out there. It's also a 256 solid state hard drive. It's got a 1 terabit hard regular drive. It's also Bluetooth. It's got a USB-C port and your regular USB ports. And extended life battery. Beefy but not overly heavy. And it's got just a little bit of a moss green sheen to it, or tint. Very good looking laptop. Right there. Check it out. There's your ports on the side there. Ports on the other side. Give me a good look at the back of that. Let's open it up and see what we got. I'll pull the rest of this out of the box. Again, very well packaged. Cable, a very beefy charger for, again, a very nice laptop. And it looks like that is going to be everything that's in the box. Very well packaged. Okay, so let's get this baby plugged in. And before I do that, let's get a little bit better look at the ports on the back of this, and then we'll get some updates going. There's a couple of things also that I needed to mention. The display is actually a 15.6 inch display, which is beyond awesome. So it is made for a gaming laptop. Does have the GeForce GTX, I think it's the 1660 Ti video card installed in it. Super good graphics on it, really good. And it also, this one came from Costco. It was $11.99 at Costco, which is great. The return policy is beyond amazing at Costco. If you ever run into any issues, no questions asked, they take it back. I never had a problem returning something at Costco. I'm a tech, I don't anticipate ever having a problem with this. If it breaks, I fix it myself. But then you've got the extra guarantee, you've got Costco standing behind it. So I'll put a link below to find the product online or Costco. So here we go, let's get this plugged in, get some updates rolling on it, and we'll go from there. All right, here's just a quick look at the ports on the back of the Legion laptop, just to give you an idea. It's like a charging port, your HDMI port, your standard USB port, your network port, and it looks like your USB-C port on the back of there as well. And then let me show you what's in the box real quick. I've just laid it out here on the table. That is what's in the box. Okay, and this is everything that is in the box for the Legion 5 Lenovo laptop. Let's go get this plugged in and get some updates rolling on it. All right, the Legion 5 is all booted up and I am just gonna start updates on it right now. First thing, of course, you wanna get your BIOS updated. You also need to be sure and get those Windows updates all installed. There's specific Lenovo updates as well that need to happen, and be sure and get all the drivers updated. So with these, you go to Lenovo. It's called Lenovo Vantage. Open that up. Gonna go update device. Check for updates. Going out to the Lenovo website, grabbing all the updates here. The BIOS update will be one of our options, I would expect. Can check all the updates that it grabbed. Bluetooth, wireless driver, monitor driver, serial driver. Update now. Just gonna grab probably packets of drivers here. Get those installed. Like I say, there will be a BIOS driver update as well, I expect. Those are installed. We're gonna check again, see what else is waiting, if anything. Okay, we're gonna go look at Windows updates. So check for updates here. Your device is missing important security and quality fixes, says Bill Gates. Get all those patches and updates installed as quick as you can. Multiple reboots. Connected to the network here. On and on and on. All right, so I'm gonna get all the important updates going on this baby. Get it all loaded up. And then we're gonna do a full workup review on this Legion laptop. Speed read all of that. Yes, Bill Gates. Here is another $135 for your Windows 10 Professional. Alright everybody, so that's it for the unboxing video. So like I said at the beginning, as soon as I've had a month or two to use this thing and put it through all the paces, I'm going to come back and do a full-on review of this system, let you know exactly what I think of it. There is a link in the description where you can find this particular computer. And thanks so much for watching. Be sure and hit that little subscribe button right down here. And we'll go from there. Thank you again.